Hey there everyone, Christian from RackNerd TV. Welcome back to another video on our channel. Today we are diving into something that affects VPS users, whether you're running a small blog, an e-commerce site, or a high traffic web app. And that's how you optimize your VPS for maximum performance. You don't need to be a Linux guru to get real speed improvements. In this video, I'll share practical tips that you can use and apply to make sure that your VPS is running fast, efficiently, and reliably. Let's jump in. Let's start with the foundation, choosing the right VPS plan. Before you do any tuning or optimization, your plan needs to actually fit your workload. Make sure your VPS has enough CPU cores to handle simultaneous processing, sufficient RAM for your applications and databases, SSD storage, not spinning drives. This makes a huge difference in performance and bandwidth that matches your expected traffic. If you're starting to push up against your resource limits like CPU or RAM, yes, upgrading is always an option, but before you go that route, there are several ways, in fact more than several ways, to squeeze more performance out of your existing VPS by just optimizing your setup. It all comes down to how your software stack is configured, what's running in the background, and how efficiently your resources are being managed. In many cases, smart tuning can give you a noticeable speed boost without spending a dime on an upgrade, which brings me to my next tip. This one is simple but often overlooked. Keep your software up to date. This includes your operating system, your web server, PHP version, your CMS, everything. Updates aren't just about security, they often bring performance improvements and bug fixes. Running outdated software can slow things down and introduce instability, especially under load. If you're using Apache, Nginx, or Lightspeed, spend a few minutes optimizing your config files. Enable caching, adjust your keep alive settings, disable modules or extensions you don't need. These small tweaks can reduce overhead and speed up your response times. And if you're using PHP, make sure OP cache is enabled. It is a game changer. If your VPS hosts a WordPress or database-driven site, this one is huge. Slow queries and bloated tables can really weigh things down. Keeping your database indexed, optimize tables, remove unused plugins that create extra queries, and consider using something like Redis or Memcached to cache repeated queries. You'd be surprised how much faster your site loads with just a few SQL optimization. One of the best things you can do is just check out your resource usage page, install something like HTOP, and actually look for what's running. If you've got unused services or daemons eating up CPU or memory, shut them off. Keep your VPS lean, only run what you actually need. If you're serving content globally, here are 2 quick wins. First, enable HTTP/2 on your web server. This protocol allows for multiple requests over a single connection, which improves speed, especially on modern browsers. Second, use a CDN like Cloudflare to cache all static files and bring content closer to your users. This offloads work from your VPS and improves global performance. At RackNerd, all of our VPS plans come with SSD storage, modern CPUs, and the flexibility to scale up when needed. Whether you're a developer, a business owner, or running client workloads, we can give you the performance and reliability you need without breaking the bank. If you're looking to boost your website speed, improve uptime, and eliminate performance headaches, check out our current VPS promotion at racknerd.com/specials. We've got plans to suit every need, and they're all backed up by 24/7 support and real infrastructure. Optimizing your VPS doesn't need to be overwhelming. Start with the basics, right resources, clean configuration, updated software, and from there, keep an eye on usage and keep things lean. Have any questions about getting better performance out of your VPS? Drop a comment below or email us anytime at sales@racknerd.com. We're here to help. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more helpful hosting tips right here on RackNerd TV. See you in the next one.